It's raining.
Hello. What are you doing?
The harvester is taking a nap.
Okay.
A new order just came in. The harvester needs to harvest vegetables.
Wow. Amazing. Let's go.
Let's start with the potatoes.
Oh no!
Don't do that.
Oh no!
What happened? Don't.
The wheels are slipping in the muddy field.
What's next? What is this?
Quick, call the construction vehicles team for help.
Hi, guys.
Dump truck. Crane truck.
Help me! Help me!
Here we go!
The crane carefully lifts the harvester out of the mud.
Bravo! What happened?
No!
Are you ready? Wow!
The dump truck removes the old tires.
Oh, nice! Look at this! I like it! Yeah!
And puts on brand new anti-slip ones.
Nice! Cool! Good job!
Thank you very much.
Look, the harvester moves so easily now.
I got it! It's amazing!
It quickly finishes harvesting all the vegetables.
I like it!
Tractor.
Hey!
The tractors come to help carry them away.
Potato. Bell pepper.
Wow, it's a nice slide. Who is next?
Tomato. Carrot.
It's a disappear. Wow. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.